Hello, Bella. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Today feels like a good day to talk and relax.
Yes, it does. I also feel very comfortable today.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Ready Talk English.
This is the channel where you can learn English through simple and natural conversations.
We are English teachers, and we speak slowly and clearly.
Our goal is to help you feel comfortable when listening and speaking English.
If you are a beginner, don't worry.
We use easy words so everyone can understand.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please remember to subscribe to Ready Talk English.
Your support helps us create more conversations for you.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Alex.
Today we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about our hometowns.
Everyone has a hometown.
Your hometown is the place where you were born or grew up.
It is usually a very special place,
Sometimes it is small, sometimes it is big.
but it always has memories.
So today, we will share our hometown stories.
Let's begin.
Bella, let me ask you the first question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is a small city near the mountains.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, it is very peaceful.
My hometown is very different.
Really?
Yes, my hometown is a busy city.
In my hometown, there are many trees and rivers.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. The air is fresh and clean.
I like fresh air.
In the morning, you can hear birds singing.
That sounds like a movie.
Yes, sometimes it feels like that.
Do many people live there?
Not many. It's a small community.
So everyone knows each other?
Yes, that is the funny part.
Why funny?
Because if you do something embarrassing, everyone knows.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous.
Yes, you cannot hide anything. What about your hometown, Alex?
My hometown is the opposite of yours.
Opposite?
Yes, it is very busy and noisy.
Is it a big city?
Yes, there are many tall buildings.
That sounds exciting.
It can be exciting, but also tiring.
I understand.
There are many restaurants, shops, and cafes.
That sounds fun.
Yes, but there is also a lot of traffic.
Ah, traffic.
Sometimes it takes 1 hour to travel a short distance.
That sounds stressful. What did you do in your hometown when you were a child?
I played soccer with my friends.
That sounds fun.
We played in the street.
Was that safe?
Not really, but we were careful.
I see.
What about you?
I spent a lot of time outside.
Outside?
Yes, in nature.
What did you do?
I climbed trees and walked near the river.
Wow, that sounds like a very free childhood.
Yes, it was simple but happy.
What food is famous in your hometown?
My hometown is famous for homemade noodles.
That sounds delicious.
They are fresh and soft.
Now I'm hungry.
What about your hometown?
My hometown has many street foods.
Street food is always exciting.
Yes, you can find food everywhere.
What is your favorite?
Fried rice from a small street shop.
Sometimes small shops make the best food.
Exactly. Do you have any funny memories from your hometown?
Yes, one very funny story.
Tell me.
When I was a kid, I tried to ride a bicycle without practice.
That sounds dangerous.
I rode straight into a tree.
Oh no.
My friends laughed for 10 minutes.
Did you get hurt?
Only my pride.
That is good. Do you have a funny story too?
Yes, I do.
I'm ready.
When I was young, I tried to cook for my family,
That sounds sweet.
but I added too much salt.
Oh no.
The soup was terrible.
What did your family say?
They said, "It's interesting."
That is a polite way to say bad.
Yes, very polite.
Even if we move to another city, our hometown stays in our heart.
Yes, hometowns hold many memories.
Friends, family, and childhood moments.
Sometimes we miss our hometown.
Yes, especially the food.
Food is always the first thing people miss.
Do you visit your hometown often?
Yes, I try to visit once or twice a year.
That's nice.
I like seeing my family and old friends.
That must feel warm and comfortable.
Yes, like going home.
Do you prefer your hometown or the city now?
That is a difficult question.
Why?
My hometown is peaceful.
but the city has more opportunities.
Exactly.
I feel the same.
Talking about your hometown is very common in English.
People often ask, "Where are you from?"
Or, tell me about your hometown.
You can answer with simple sentences.
For example,
My hometown is small.
it has many parks.
I live in a big city.
The people are friendly.
Very easy.
Now it's your turn.
Think about your hometown.
Is it big or small?
Is it near mountains, rivers, or the sea?
What food is famous there?
Try to say a few sentences in English.
Practice makes progress.
That was a very nice conversation.
Yes, talking about hometowns always feels warm.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
And we hope it helped you practice English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to Ready Talk English.
Your support helps us continue making more lessons.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Alex.
Thank you for watching Ready Talk English. See you in the next conversation.